Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Another Wonderful Year. This is a large stamp set, has a lot of sentiments in it. The one that I really like is the thank you. It's sort of in a handwritten font, and I really like it. So I am using this sentiment with a piece of designer series paper. This happens to be the Petal Promenade. So this is a very simple way of using your designer series paper to sort of maximize the punch of your designer series paper. This is about 2 inches high, 5.5 inches long, or it will be, and I've backed it on a piece of basic black cardstock that is 2.25 high. So I'm just using the designer series paper here to hold my place. I'm going to use Stays On ink for a beautiful crisp image of that thank you. And then I will be popping this designer series paper strip up. And I want to make mention that I make a lot of thank you cards, and I don't always like them to be the same. So I went through my stash and I have lots of pattern paper, and I just want to show you that any pattern paper that you may have works with this. Check it out. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.